tube. Okay, got a 2001 Land Rover Discovery 2. We've got our rear wiper button. We've got our cruise control button. For those of you who always wondered what that bizarre totem looking button is. And we've got our rear wiper with fluid shooting button. So what we've got going on is we relocated our washer bottle from down at the front of the engine bay, actually the front wheel well. But when you take off your front bumper, it's actually kind of in the front bumper. When you take it off, it ends up being exposed. So we moved it over to here. And now it goes here and it shoots the front juice / fluid. But what we have now is, and this worked for a long time, the rear one, if I press on that button, you can see that our rear wiper wipes. So we got a wiper, but when you press this button, it's supposed to wipe the arm as well as shoot fluid through the jet. So now if I do that, I'm going to press the button and I hold it there. Sometimes it used to take a little while to shoot the juice, but it's not shooting anything. So we need to figure out why we have no fluid coming out of there. And I think the issue is that either a ground has gone on, or a ground is gone, or we've got something wrong with this switch. Maybe the wire's here, or there's another one of the actual circuit relays is not there. It's corroded or something like that where we made the connection. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and get somebody, which is my wife, to bend the wires at the connections to see if maybe that breaks from the corrosion free and it makes a connection again. And then we're going to press this button and see if it does anything. See what happens. Okay, so this is where we had spliced in the wires to take the relocated washer bottle holder, washer fluid holder from above this tire. It used to go right up here, right in here. That's where the washer fluid was. Not a great place. It kind of like hung down low over here, hung down right there. So we relocated it, and then we just extended the wires. So there were some wires in these connections right here. You can see my finger pointing there and there. You see there's a bunch of tape connections. I think what happened is there was some corrosion in there, because now what's happened is I just kind of bent them around a bit, and magically the rear washer fluid is going through now. So the connection was made. It was obviously the circuit just corroded over time. That's not a great waterproof seal that I did as a random mechanic person. So long story short, it worked. If you ever have an issue with the circuit not working that you've seen a connection on, just bend those wires back and forth, and that might fix your problem. Like and subscribe. Ciao. So you can see we've got fluid. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing.